Okay. In this bin, we got 1 quart of kiln dried and 3 cords of ends that we're trying to avoid tossing in one by one. This is crate number 2. Ends are wonderful. We burned ends are wonderful. We burnt ends last winter until they ran out, and then we went on to our regular firewood, but they burn well, they're dry, and there's a lot of them. Now we'll take the straps off and go get another bin. So, picked up all the pieces on the ground. That's 2 crates of ends. Now we'll go get 1 more crate. Only going over here, so it's not very far. And we'll reuse those crates for more ends as we need them. See if Jim smiles on camera. I cut his hair this morning and I said when it's really short, he looks a bit saucy, so he needs to smile more. We'll see. Okay, so he's going to pick up the 3rd crate. Very carefully. As you can see, there's boards obviously holding it all together, so when we get it up to the truck, we'll take off one side of the board so we can toss it in with the skid steer. So this side's 3 big boards, 4 big boards. Have to put the we hook these on.
I don't remember. We'll upload this one like the video.
Oh, too big? It looks like it sticks out too far.
Yeah, it's a half-cord crate.
Oh, half cord crate of ends, so this could be a disaster. The last one must have been a smaller crate. See how much it sticks out over the forks? Oops. My glove. Get the They may all fall out. We'll see. Can you tip it back more? Maybe. Oh, so far so good. I'm going to try and tip it back a little more if we can. Maybe. Just so they don't all fall out on the ground. Sort of defeats the purpose. Yeah, that's better. Now he's going to squeeze out though. Oh, not bad. It's pretty nimble. Board number 3. No pieces fell out yet. Oh, saw some movement. I think we're going to have a little accident. No, is wrong? Okay, let's see how this goes then. Again, still I think the crate is very large for trying to dump up and over, so we don't know. Oh, we lost a few. No big deal. Whoa. Going up high. The whole crate could fall off. It's a lot of ends for someone to pick up and put away. The whole crate could fall off. It's a lot of ends for someone to pick up and put away. Good. Excellent. So we have 1 cord kiln dried, 3 crates of ends. I'll jump up there and flatten that out before we put our net on. And we'll pick these off the ground and be ready to go.